So it's a little bit colder and it's a little windy today, but I gotta get this done because the cold is coming and I don't have an indoor space, so we gotta get this roof welded up and done. Now time for the old Alright, so you just saw there lined up. I had the holes placed in place. So now what I gotta do, one, I'm gonna get these all cleaned up, and then I'm gonna have to weld on the back side the retainer nuts for these. So clean them up, weld the retainer nut, then I gotta clean up the edges around there and weld them onto the roof. This wind out here today has got me cold, so that's always fun. But there's all the retainer nuts, as you see here, they just broke off, except for this one stubborn boy, the one with the most metal. Funny enough, not even the one that's the full circle. Hey bubber, the one that is the full circle is right here. You can see they just blew right through. The other ones yeah, they're fine. So I just gotta do a little cleaning around the edge. Take retainer clips, which are all on the bottom of the lights. I gotta unscrew them. Take the retainer clips. Pretty much put the light assembly together without putting the light assembly on the truck. Put it together on there. Get the retainer nuts all the way down. Then do a little tack weld on them to keep them in place. And then make sure they're solidly welded in. Hey Bobber, how you doing, Bobcat? I'm about to be doing some cutting to get that retainer out. So you're gonna probably wanna go and leave, because you don't got safety glasses on. So I'm gonna do some zip zappities right there, get that out, and then you're gonna see me just prep them. I'm gonna throw it on the fast forward and get this all prepped in and ready to go. And then I'll talk to you when I get ready to weld them in. So you can see here I got them tack welded on each side. Got a little paint because these are going to be underneath. I lined them up with their things. Now let's get all this up on there. I'm just going to time lapse it again, me welding.
I lost my hearing for a while. I had a piece of hot slag jump off the car, go in my ear. Yeah. That is a sound that you will never, ever forget.